Hi everyone, I'm Mari Jasmine and I'm here today at Abenson looking for a washing machine. I've recently had a baby and life has been really busy, so I need something efficient to help me with the laundry that'll be a perfect fit for our home and allow me to spend some more quality time with my daughter. Let's go upstairs and take a look at some washing machines. Since I have a busy schedule and I'm also working, I'd like to spend a little less time on laundry. So I need something that's efficient, easy to use, and hopefully fit into our new place. The technology it uses is already doing a lot of the thinking, helping you do your laundry more efficiently. The LG Objet WashTower has a one-body design made to take up less space, making it suitable for smaller homes. That way you can also use the remaining space for other tasks like folding and clean clothes or for storage. It's also very easy to use since you have one control center that can manage both the washer and the dryer. The LG Objet WashTower uses built-in intelligence such as the AIDD, which is a trademarked deep cleaning technology that identifies the best washing pattern for your clothes. It also has smart pairing, which automatically sets up the dryer's optimal cycle based on the washer's cycle. That's one less thing to think about since your washer and dryer are already working in sync. It has advanced cleaning features such as the Turbo Wash 360, which gives you a high wash performance and thorough cleaning in 59 minutes, all while ensuring fabric protection. There are also the Quick Wash and Quick Dry with Prepare to Dry options that will get all the washing and drying done in an hour for small loads. And there's the Allergy Care feature that's for removing dust mites that may cause allergies or respiratory issues, perfect for the family. And lastly, it has ThinkU capability, which has remote monitoring of laundry and downloadable washing programs. With all those features, basically you just drop your clothes in, pick a setting, and let the machine do its work. I absolutely love what the LG Objet WashTower can do. So I think the only thing left for me to do is to get one myself. I just bought our new washing machine, but I'm already feeling so productive. So if like me, you're looking to make your life good by making your home's laundry process easier, check out the LG Objet WashTower at your nearest Abenson store. Thanks for joining me. See you guys around.